Hi guys, let's do a killer workout today for targeting our abs, specifically the sides, obliques, or loosely called as the love handles. Let's begin. Make sure you're engaging your core and breathing normally when you're doing this exercise. Keep your back on the ground and touch the ankle. You'll feel the burn in your obliques. Do your bicycle crunches slowly and engage all your core muscles. Please make sure your core is nicely engaged when you're doing this particular side plank up and down. You feel a very strong burn on your obliques, and yes, do it as slowly as possible, engaging every muscle again. All the movements if done slowly has much better benefit. Again, keep your core engaged and do this as slowly as possible, and make sure when doing this you're not moving your neck that much. Minimal movement of your neck, and basically the lower part of your body is moving and touching the elbow, the knee to the elbow, very slowly. We're going to do a twisting mountain climbers, and this is a very slowly the movement we're going to do, engaging our core and making sure that we have the posture correct and breathe normally. If you can do this engaging your core, you'll feel a good burn, not only just your side oblique but also in the entire core muscles and abs. This one is my personal favorite. This is the twisting plank, and it's a great workout specifically for your obliques. When you're doing this, make sure you do not touch the ground when you're twisting your body. Okay, keep your core engaged and breathe normally, and your plank position has to be right when doing this. Okay, your elbow plank and your core is very tightly engaged. Once you do 20 rounds or 20 repetitions on both sides, hold a plank for 5 seconds, 5 counts, and then we repeat it again for 20 times and do the same thing. So guys, that was it. Do include these workouts in your whole body routine and see the difference. Check out my other challenge videos here and do them. Bye.